Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in this video we will discuss the today's day 3 Capgemini data structure pseudocode questions. So video का आप अंत तक बने रहिएगा. चैनल पे चलो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, साइड में बेल आइकन उसको क्लिक करना मत भूलना. And guys, one very important thing is there guys, if you have not applied in Wipro, okay, this Wipro is for 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch है ना, so you can apply in this. And one more thing, Mindtree also. So if you have not applied in Mindtree, so go and check out this as well. The last date is guys 24th of December. Clear है? So let's discuss guys one by one what type of pseudocode and data structure questions are there. So the first question is solve the postfix expression. So you need to solve postfix. So guys, I've already make a one separate video on this postfix expression and heap based questions. Okay. So let's see guys. So here these three, okay, so 6 divided by 3, okay, 6 divided by 3 is nothing but a 2, right? So 2 divide 8. Clear? Now again guys, these 2 and this combination is there, so 2 divided by 2 is nothing but a 1. We got 8 1 divide, it means 8 divided by 1, 8 divided by 1 is nothing but a 1, sorry, 8. Clear? So the answer is 8. Okay, let's move to next question. That is, yes, 4 3 2 1. So 2 1 and plus, it means 3 multiply plus 4 3. Now 3 and 3 multiply, it means 9 is there, then 4 and plus, then we solve whole, it means 13 is there because 4 plus 9 is 13. Clear? And 3 plus multiply 3 is 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Clear? Let's move to next question guys. So next question is depend on pseudocode. So you have a here is a, not s. Okay, just wait, I need to pick the pen. Yes, so yes, so here is a, okay, just wait, huh? So here is a guys, not s. Okay, so abc is given guys, abc is given and the value of a is 5, b is 8, c is 8. Clear? Next thing is a equal to 1 plus 2 means 3, 3 plus a means 8, so total 8 is there in the a. So we need to calculate b XOR with a. B XOR with a means 8, XOR with 8 it means 0, and 0 XOR with a plus c, so the value of a is nothing but a 8 and c is 8, so it means 16. So guys, I have already discussed one trick. If you XOR with 0, it will always give you x, right? So it will give you 16. Clear? Because a plus c, it means 8 plus 8 is 16. Clear? 16 is greater than B. B is 8. 8 plus AC, 8 XOR with 8. X XOR with X is always 0. So it means 0. So condition is true guys. These two statements are executed. Let's see. So for this B equal to 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus C is 14 plus C. C is nothing but a 8. Clear? And here A equal to A plus B. A plus B means 8 plus 8. Right? So this one is 16 and 8 or 4, 22. You need to add this all the three, it means 22 plus 16 plus the value of c is 8. Clear guys? The value of b is 22 and a is 16 and 8 is c is 8. Okay, 16, 22 and 8. Clear? Let's move to next question. a b c, a b c is given guys, you have 275. Clear? Then c equal to b b. So I have already told previously, see here, this, okay, this thing we are using. Okay, so 0 is there, so c equal to a, c equal to a means 2. Then a equal to cb, cb means 7 and with cb, c and with b, it means the value of c is 2, b is 7, it means 2 is 1 0, 7 is 1 1 1. So we need to perform and, so 0 0 1, it means 2 is there. Clear? So answer is 2, 2 and with, 2 and with c, 2 and with c means the value of c is again 2. So 2 and with 2, it give you 2. Okay, next thing is for this statement, a equal to a plus 9 11, 11 plus c 13. Then a equal to 9 and with 9, 9 and with c, so 9 is 1001 and with c, c is nothing but a 13. How to write 13? 1 2 4 8, 8 4 12 or 1 13. Clear? So 1101, it is 13 and we need to perform AND operation. 1001, it will give you the 9. Clear? 9 is stored in a, so a. Clear? Now a plus b plus c, it means 9 plus 7 plus 13. Clear? This is your answer. Let's move to next. Yes, m based question is there, guys. You have one array, the index value is 0 1 2 3 है ना. Then a of 1 is, guys, equal to a of 2. a of 1 is this equal to 2. It means 1 2 2 2. ठीक है, 0 1 2 3 updated array. Then m plus a of 1 is 2. 2 plus m is nothing but a 1. Okay, m is nothing but a 1 in this question, guys. Clear? So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is greater than 9. No, condition is false. It will move to else part. Now in the else part, m equal to a of 2. a of 2 is nothing but a 2. So now the value of m is 2. Clear? So we got our answer, that is 2. Okay. Let's move to next question, guys. So for this question, guys, p q r is given. So p q and r. So we have, guys, 944 944. Okay. Let me change the color. So कोई सा color ले लेते हैं, red. Okay. So q equal to r r q. So r r, it means 8 plus q 12, right? Then for this statement, q equal to r and with 10. R is 4. R is 4 and with 10. And with 10, 1 0 1 0 and with 10, so 0 0 0 0. So it will give you the 0. Q equals 0 plus q. 0 plus q means q. So the value of q is still 12. Now for this statement, p equal to 4. 4 XOR with 12. XOR with 12. Right? So this one is 0 0. Different पे 1, same पे 0. It means 8. So 8 plus q, 8 plus 12 is 20 stored in p. Now p equal to 9 and with p. 9 is 1 0 0 1 and with 20. How to write 20? 1 2 4 8 16. So 1 0 1 0 0. So this one is 20. So 1 0 1 0 0. This one is 20, guys. Clear? We need to perform AND operation for AND 0 0 0 0 0. All are 0. So the value of p is now finally 0. Then q equal to p plus q. 0 plus 12, it will give you the 12, right? So yes, 12 is there. Now p plus q plus r, it means 0 plus 12 plus 4, it will give you 16. Let's move to next, guys. So yes, so r, sorry, so yes, clear. P q r is there, guys, and you have 6 to 5. Clear? Next thing is r equal to 10 plus 5, 15. 15 XOR with 15. 15 XOR with q. The value of q is nothing but a 2. So 1 0 0 0. So different पे 1 1, same पे 0, different 1 1 2 4 8. So 8 or 4 12, 12 or 1 13. Clear? So now the value of r is nothing but a 13. Now let's see q plus r. Q plus r means 15 is greater than r minus q. Yes, obviously, because 13 minus something, obviously 15 is greater, right? So p equal to p plus p, it means 12 is there in the value of p. Now we got the answer. Guys, today is very easy questions are there in today's slot, not tough. So this one is your answer. Okay, you can add this. Okay, the next question is, guys, m based question. So again the value is 3 1 3 4. We have index is 0 1 2 3. Clear? Now a of 2 is nothing but 3. 3 is less than a of 1. A of 1 is nothing but a 1. Condition false. So guys, I have already discussed one thing in the end operator. In the end operator, guys, whenever you have the left condition is false, then it will not check the right hand side. Clear? So now directly this condition is false. Let's check this condition. So a of 3 means 4 plus a of 1 minus a of 1. So a of 1 से a of 1 cancel कर सकते हैं हम. So we got a of 3, it means 4 is greater than 0. Condition is true. M equal to m plus 1, it means m equal to 2. So we got our answer, that is 2. Clear? Next question is, guys, for loop is there. Okay, and a equal to c, sorry, just wait. Yes, so I need to select the color first. Yes, so abc is there, guys. Abc, the value is 849. 849. Now c is executed from 5 to 7. It means 5 6 7. 3 times this loop is executed. Clear? 3 times this loop is executed, guys. Okay, let's see. So let me again pick one color. So a equal to 3 plus b. So guys, a equal to 3 plus b means for c equal to 5. Okay, c equal to not 9, now it's a 5. So a equal to 3 plus b means 7. Now 5 is greater, 7 is greater than, sorry, 5 is less than 7, condition is true. A equal to cb, cb means 9, 9 or 3, 12. Clear? Again loop is executed for 6. The value of c is now 6 guys. Clear? Now let's see a equal to 3 plus b. 3 plus b means what? 3 plus b means 7, right? Now a value is 7, again 7 is there, then a equal to c plus 3 plus b. It means 3 plus c plus 3. C the value is 6, 6, 9, 9 and 4, 13. Clear? So the value of a is 13. Now loop is executed for c equal to 7. Again guys, a equal to 3 plus b, it means 7, and 7 plus 4, right? Why? Because the value of c is, yes, the value of c is 7 now. Okay, और here I think here I am adding 4, here is not 4, I think 6 is there, no problem है ना, उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी because this statement is always true and we need only a last statement value, because here guys as you can see a is not changed, b is not changed anywhere. Okay, so if you want you can directly solve this equation for value c equal to 7, no problem. Clear? You can do directly. So now c equal to 7 is there guys, 7 plus 3 plus 4, it means 14 is your answer for a. The value of a is 14. Now 14 plus b is nothing but a 4, it means 18 is your answer. Clear? Now for this question, yes, abc is there. Okay, so ABC is there guys. So ABC is there 0, 8 and 5. Clear? Now let's see the loop is executed for 4 to 6. It means 4, 5, 6. This loop is executed for 3 times. Right? So now the value of C is not 5. 4 is there. है ना? Loop value for C each from 4 to 6. Clear? So let's see B equal to B plus C. So B plus C means guys, B plus C means the value of B is 8. C is 4. It means 12 is there. 12 XOR with the value of a is nothing but a 0. So as I have already told, x XOR with 0, it will always x means 12. Now the value of b is 12. Again loop is executed for c equal to 5. For c equal to 5 guys, again same condition is there. It means b plus c. B plus c means for 17, and 17 XOR with 0, it will give you 17. Right? Again loop is executed for 6. The value of c is 6. Then 6 plus 17, right? So it will give you 6 plus 17. Okay, why? Because c value is 6 and b value is 17. So let's add 13 is there to 23. Clear? The value of b is 23 finally. Okay, let's move to next statement, that is this one. For this the value of a is 0, so a value is 12, right? Now a value is 12, a is 12, b is 23. As you can see here guys, here also independent values are there, so you can directly do a equal to the value of b is 23 and c is last value, that is 7. It means the value of a is 30. Now 30 plus this one is 30. Okay, 30 plus 23, so you got 53 is your answer. Done. Let's move to next. So next question is again m based question guys. Okay, let's discuss this question. So friends, before discussing this question, I want to suggest something for your Capgemini exam. So guys, this one is our YouTube channel, na. So let me go here and videos. So friends, है ना, I have already made one video related to Capgemini, a complete roadmap for Capgemini preparation, guys. If you have not watched this video, I suggest you to go and watch it. This video, and guys, these two day 2 and day 3 is there, है ना. So you can go and check out these two video as well, day 1 and day 2, and today is day 3. Clear? So let's continue the question first, है ना. Okay. So yes, so in this question, let me check. Okay, just wait. I need to, yeah. So you have a one array that is 2, 2, 3, 3 is there, guys. Okay. Next thing is guys, let's check. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3 index value is there. Clear? Let me change the color. Okay. So if a of 1 is 2, 2 is greater than 1, yes, condition is true, guys. A of 2 is nothing but a 3, 3 is less than 2, condition is false, so it will move to else part. M equal to a of 1, m equal to a of 1 means guys, a of 1 is nothing but a 2. Clear? So now after that guys, we need to execute this. So m equal to m XOR with a of 1, a of 1 is nothing but 2. So as I have already told, x XOR with x is equal to 0, x XOR with 0 equal to x. Clear? So this one is 2 XOR 2 equal to 0. Now the value of m is guys finally we got 0. This else part is not executed. Clear? Done guys. So I hope guys you got it. Okay, let's move to next. The value of m is in this question is 0. Okay, and this one is here only. Okay, so let's see, yes guys. So remaining questions guys. Okay, remaining all the question guys, go and check out our day 1 and day 2 videos. जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दिस टू वीडियोस गाइस, बिकॉज दिस होल 3 days है ना, तीनों दिन की वीडियो गाइस एक जैसे क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं. डेट्स व्हाई गाइस आई नॉट रिपीटेड सेम क्वेश्चन इन दीस वीडियोस. सेम पैटर्न इज देयर, ओनली वैल्यूज आर चेंज. सो डेट्स व्हाई गाइस आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द प्रीवियस स्लॉट्स क्वेश्चंस, सॉरी today's slot question, because guys questions level is same, pattern is same, just change, they are just change the value only. That's why guys I am not taking that questions. Okay, and one more thing guys है ना, if you have not joined our telegram channel, I suggest you to join. And guys please subscribe our YouTube channel guys है ना, because guys 80% are not subscribed, just watch video and go. But guys I want subscribe as well as response from your side. So guys please subscribe our YouTube channel, so guys you get daily placement material as well as hiring updates. Clear? And number of videos are on our YouTube channel है ना. And guys all है ना, around all the companies material are available all our YouTube channel guys, all off campus like IBM, Capgemini, TCS, Accenture and other companies are there. So go and check out guys playlist section, so you will got all companies playlist. Clear? 350. Okay, 350 videos. Okay, already we have uploaded 350 plus. Actually this one is previous, so I need to change this. I will change it. Okay, and it's all about today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay, and learn some new thing from today's video guys. Okay, so let's meet on the next video guys. सब्सक्राइब नहीं है तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, साइड में बेल आइकन को घंटा का निशान होगा उसको क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा. ओके, लेट्स मीट ऑन दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस. ओके, थैंक यू.